Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making carrot rice, a very simple yet flavorful and delicious recipe to put together. So we're going to jump straight into this recipe. As usual, it's going to be super easy to make. We're starting with our skillet on a medium heat, and to that I'm adding in butter and goldenry. If you wanted to omit the goldenry, use all butter. And once that melts, we're going to go in with diced onion, pimento peppers, and we're going to season that with a little salt. Now we're going to allow these aromatics to cook until it starts to turn tender and light brown in color. You don't want the onion to burn, so make sure keep an eye on it. Once it starts to get light brown, we're going to add in our garlic. Add in the garlic, mix that in, and allow the garlic to cook until it's tender and fragrant. I always add my garlic after because you don't want to add it too soon. It would burn before the onion has a chance to cook. Now we're going to go in with our shredded carrots. Add in the carrots, season with a little salt, and we're going to cook the carrots for about 10 minutes on that medium heat. You want your carrots to get very tender, but you don't want to overcook it for it to get brown. Once it's tender, add in your dried fruits. I'm using a combination of raisins, cranberries, and apricots. If you didn't want to add fruit, of course you can omit it. And if you wanted to add some sliced almonds, you can. In goes some chopped celery, and we're just going to mix that, keep it through, and no more additional cooking. Now to this, we're going to add in our rice. I'm using jasmine rice that I have left over. You want to make sure your rice has cooled down completely so you get a nice grainy fried rice and not sticky. So just toss to combine. Allow that to just cook up for like about 1 minute. Taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. How easy, simple, and delicious does it look? I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thank you all so much for requesting it. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.